Okay, thank you so much. Yachiao ama wakwaba we live on GH Live Studios, Ghana's numero uno. Yet sempa enam we ye mount brekum Chelsea inside out. And I'm saying omane Asante Kotoko game, but ya two didn't say opponent watch on this edition. Ye opponent watch same video imwa. Yet Asante Kotoko training honso sem eba betu enim na yamba update so brekum Chelsea honso a training. After at training today, players ahodoɔ baako 1 2 3. I think 3 or 2 players APMU ɛwɔ Asante Kotoko training. Yɛde one who details upon details. That is yɛde one who nsɛm nyinaa no ɛbɛto w'anim na biribiara wie nkonimdie nso ɛwɔ mu. Yes, yɛse anhwɛ a tournament bi nso betumi aba so anaasɛ ebi a game bi betumi aba so akoko board for ɛna sponsor ɛho nkɔmɔ deɛ subsequently, yeah, they won't details broba a beer not game ever subscribe by our sports stadium cocoa board for and one person or more sponsors our game between Kotoko has yes appearance fee and yesika ketwa are close to best $60,000 sponsors near pocket crab. But I know any didn't care to the amount be piano to me a court name yan shas yes say our yen semina yan some campaswa yeah they have two and in training echo so Ewa Asante Kotoko akache bia a friend said adako judge precisely na bibiano de dana kwamu kama Kotoko and yen red details say bia mu ye practice say for 3 na da binya no ne eka but ye mo who said a prebia and sheda anko so nyame encha de e ma bibia de dana kwamu kama but today at adako judge training complex no ye betimi aka say game akotoko any brekum Chelsea eba bebo no e ade bia ready aye adwuma kese pa boys no aye poised for action na be bia tumi course be pie mu ema wo mo etum rika ba ko mienu miensa na o mo cheche mo pom ewie no wo mo ehya asese ne ene dress awodo a coach edi room for the game no eno de yem room but coach any o mo yo and kama but the news are yeah they man news within the news and it's Godfred Nyako what 27 years old where winger na ne winks na obono otimi bo benkuma famu na osanso etimi wura mu nso ebo the other side of the picture yede hu details to anima ne saso one Kotoko training 27-year-old winger train fully with main Kotoko team and a Frempong formerly now a captain at the University of Ghana, that is Legon almost soccer and as a football team almost so ever can't train and a new right back. Ono de bibin tie nua na nya dina ma a new right back and so be training na omo ehyasia with junior side no but Godfred Nyako ne de oni main team no and a training and no enchimu kakra de ma in a team for ewo mu ma yemfa nto anim se Godfred Nyako 27 years old no was see a kind at the Ama Sahel Sports Club ewo Niger and our Young Africans of Tanzania, and our Medeama Sporting Club, and a Lupopo FC, our DR Congo. Now, Obi say a word from Pono or a day with DM on your banner so, but Godfred Nyako dear, or you play a be a young fan details in amount quick, not young to us, and call your name Godfred Nyako, a player in the main position, a left wings. The only senior team near training, left wings or and Otimi Ebo. The other position right wings and offense so attacking midfield role. Now Ushemwa the last club of boy the year 2022-2023 Royal AM. I was South Africa. But was see a kind I'm a Medeama and waba Simba and wabo Bobo Medeama or sorry returning back 2020 and what code Niger Kobo Sahel. Macho enye younger woman no boy Simba 10 year ema me Tanzania Simba the year 2020 and okwesi akan ema wo mo eji from Simba na enye year no saba back ebe bo Medeama afeba from Medeama no and okobo Sahel FC and afen so twa so eko Royal AM that is Bobokwa e what South Africa and e honom and our free ababe piemu e obia ye friend se Kumasi ene the betim dia to anim say oni Asante Kotoko training and that is the news I bet to me at the amount ewo honomo yes and they nim fium 27 years na one map sports management MAB sports management ena eye adwuma MAB sports management ena one wo mo eye adwuma one Prince Ajima mo ne Francis Debra ne players bi say Evans Etini Kwabena Dumeida ena Samson Kobina ene Patrick Ge wo mu nyina no ena eye under one agency enti news ni nyina ene say Asante Kotoko ene Godfred Nyako we are winger any attacking play role no match for the one 27 years aye adwuma and I say omo aye training there as to say coach any saw and I say coach any so and there a Brandon Krabia na betcha video footage yensa kan no utimi say we coach na anka say adwuma coach na na eba be PM training ho and na wono na awura atan ye kan say main door no mu ero age ho no ma enema aye de efiri mu e todwa now yenko the other player no so the other player on us who no a player your friend is say a war from Pong or a defensive midfielder a war from Pong defensive midfielder and the record and I say the history kakra a war and it say what captain team your friend is say Legon that is almost football team yes a war from Pong when you Ronald Frimpong but we a war from Pong one and a captain and that's what captain previously Legon that is University of Ghana football team and no any chemu kakra yede tuja ede ama in a tier for ewomo na the other young player ne there yenya the details but yenim say ono ye right back ono so any junior side ni ye training there ewomo say oni mfie ni wani ba na coach ka so ono enkonko tete na pom ewo ho na omo hwa de eno enchemu kakra de tuja okay yanko yeniman the tier any say sisi amene o ka say squad lister coach Zito anemo de ekwako wuram na oni brekum Chelsea esi akan no apanifa won say ya yinyai sa na ma until it's true I think say enema bi o ho esi etete so kakra kra na bibia wie ne ntom apa efra but players a woni mo nyina no bia ready and poised for action bibia no dead na kwam kama niema etodwa e ho no kakra ye de ema in a team for live GH Live Studios Ghana's numero 1 na bibia tumi akoso ewo mo now yenko animan na yemfa we MP so emfama wa de tie ba konso ne se former player edema Medeama your friend say ene apia could be goalkeeper no wone crash your friend say mfege kwa akobo one team Jamus club ewo bia your friend say South Sudan eno eni nchemu kakra ababeto dwa yedema in a team for ewo mo brekum Chelsea training ene gidigidi pa twice ena omosha asia no pa no ena nwumre so wo mo de ewie ya nyame di adom a ombebom aba be piem Kumase na mo ne Asante Kotoko edi game sefatan so edi atata so eno e ma details ni nyina ewo yen channel ha no mind ne opa eda ho ko na ekofa na ehwema bibia nkoso opanya e friend say enei safodukun so se ono de onya we se Kotoko eni obi e justify bia into ono de do nim eni se Kotoko be stop one striker and aka ho no Elvis Bernard Ade said they no details amano Kotoko egu negotiations so a eno ni nchemu a ebanti club PRO esu onim say Kotoko any new players get training but yen so betia confirm am say 3 new players eko ho any Kotoko training enti ye will see her yen say obre on this edition na a training hun sense brekum Chelsea training it was twice anopa and a wi so omodi bi tata so a injury bia any of my friend my din ka check say coach Samuel Buedu womo aka check say eso timi bo modern na onya good result ahodo in about format said the enemy and this aniama ense da enwi peye enti aniama etodwa more videos ewe yen channel hono ma wurema on sabe tumi aka na wa hwa aniama tumi akoso me dey Derrickson Kizito bomodern na edi subscribe na yen to aso enko ye be say share biem na the other details atwa so amount